A tiny home doesn't have to feel small, limited, or basic. In fact, when designed correctly, a compact space can feel just as luxurious as a high-end apartment. Luxury is not about size. It's about intention, balance, and the way a space makes you feel. The first step to creating a luxury look in a tiny home is visual calm. Clutter instantly shrinks a space and cheapens its appearance. Luxury interiors always feel organized and effortless. When every item has a purpose, the room feels open, refined, and thoughtfully designed. Color plays a powerful role in transforming small spaces. Soft neutrals like warm whites, gentle beiges, and subtle grays reflect light and create a sense of openness. These tones form the foundation of luxury apartments because they allow texture, light, and materials to stand out without overwhelming the space. Lighting is one of the most important elements in a tiny home. Relying on a single ceiling light can flatten the room and remove all warmth. Layered lighting changes everything. Soft lamps, warm bulbs, and hidden light sources add depth and instantly elevate the atmosphere. Furniture choice is where most small spaces fail. Oversized furniture overwhelms the room, while cheap, lightweight pieces feel temporary. Luxury comes from proportion. Well-scaled furniture with clean lines and quality materials makes a tiny home feel intentional and expensive. Materials matter more in small spaces because every detail is visible. Natural textures like wood, stone, linen, and matte metals add richness without taking up space. Even simple furniture feels luxurious when the materials look and feel premium. Smart storage is essential, but luxury storage is invisible. Built-ins, hidden cabinets, and multifunctional furniture keep the space clean without drawing attention to function. When storage blends into the design, the home feels calm and polished. Tiny kitchens can look surprisingly high-end when kept simple. Seamless cabinetry, neutral finishes, and minimal hardware create a sleek, apartment-style look. Fewer visual breaks make the kitchen feel larger and more refined. Bathrooms are another opportunity to create a luxury experience. Soft lighting, simple fixtures, and clean surfaces can turn even the smallest bathroom into a spa-like retreat. Luxury is about how the space feels, not how big it is. Mirrors and reflective surfaces are powerful tools in tiny homes. They bounce light around the room and create the illusion of depth. Used thoughtfully, they make a compact space feel brighter and more expansive. Luxury apartments always have a sense of rhythm and flow. Even in a tiny home, defining areas through furniture placement, lighting, or texture helps the space feel organized and intentional rather than cramped. Decor should be minimal but meaningful. Instead of many small accessories, choose a few larger statement pieces. This approach feels more curated and visually calm, which is a key characteristic of luxury interiors. Textiles add softness and comfort. Floor-length curtains, textured cushions, and layered fabrics elevate the space without cluttering it. These details create warmth and make the home feel inviting and refined. Technology should support the lifestyle quietly. In a luxury tiny home, smart features are integrated seamlessly, never dominating the design. The goal is comfort, not distraction. What truly makes a tiny home feel like a luxury apartment is confidence in design choices. Luxury spaces don't try too hard. They feel balanced, calm, and effortless. When you focus on quality over quantity, simplicity over clutter, and intention over trends, even the smallest home can feel elevated. A tiny home designed with care becomes more than just a small space. It becomes a personal sanctuary that feels elegant, comfortable, and unmistakably luxurious.